Hey guys! Alam nyo ba, hindi nyo kailangan magkaroon ng 10 doors, 15 doors, or 30 doors, or 1,000 doors para maging wealthy. Alam nyo ba, kailangan nyo lang talaga, I realize, kailangan nyo lang talaga magkaroon ng at least 5 properties na all paid off. Don't be listening to the social medias who are telling you out there to go on and own thousands of doors. You don't need all that shit. All you need is 5 good properties paid off na rental apartment, and you are set for life. You never know. You like in the Philippines, only 1% of people in the Philippines really own real estate. So you never know. You could be